Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve too many operations on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to Magic Tiles 3. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.